the tech essentials so you can edit directly off, because the new iPad Pros have Thunderbolt in them, so you can connect to Thunderbolt accessories and take photos or videos and directly edit off of it, which is amazing. My favorite SSD, this is Thunderbolt 3 and Thunderbolt 4. It's the Rugged Pro SSD. This is the 2TB variant. It's IP67 dust and water resistant. So we have my new iPad Pro in the Apple Magic keyboard case. I really like this. It's amazing. And then the Samsung
X5.
is the one you would want to be seen in the coffee shop with. This one's definitely more durable, budget friendly. T7 SSD, 2TB is great. It's fast. It's NVMe PCIe. It's predominantly for editing. It's a low power SSD. The main key distinguisher between these two amazing SSDs and this one is low power, so you can directly off your iPhone, you can take photos or videos and direct it off of it using this, which is Apple's camera connection kit adapter. It's a bummer that it's USB-A. That's why I have a USB-A to C cable, so I can have the C into there and then USB-A. It would be nice if they came out with a C variant. Apple Pencil is important. You kind of need that for your iPad. Now,
Going old-fashioned, the noise canceling earmuffs.
but these are amazing. A pair of Sennheiser IE800s, which are amazing. I have a pair of Clips 6i's. These are so amazing that have really amazing noise isolation. My active noise canceling AirPods Pro, which then of course, AirPods 2 with wireless charging case. I actually use these more than I generally use my AirPods Pro, and great for iPad productivity because they have amazing dictation and microphones and things like that, and very accessibility friendly. Both these are.
Apple AirPods, plug-in headphones, which are lightning,
And then lightning to headphone jack adapter.
Audio Technica wireless earbuds,
For Bluetooth, Audio Technica ATH M50X BTs, and they're very durable and last a long time. The Audio Technica ones are a standard in the industry for a reason. They really punch way ahead of their price class. And then Rode Lightning Me L, it's a excellent shotgun microphone. This is the Rode Pod mic, and then I have a microphone stand attached to it. Shotgun microphone. And TRS and TRRS adapter cables works well, and setting up an iPad Pro desk setup is really inexpensive and budget friendly.
a USB-C to lightning cord,
And then small Thunderbolt cable. So if you're on a tray table working on a video or something like that, or a photo, you can have a short cable connecting it. You don't need to have one of these long cables. So it can just be like on the side.
3 charging bricks, 30 watt and an 18 watt.
87 watt charge brick, and then the 30 watt charge brick, you could charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro. Both USB-C, Apple Magic Mouse, and trackpad. These are great for productivity, setting up your mobile iPad Pro desk setup. Like, yeah, guys. And then Thunderbolt cable, 2-meter one, which is amazing because the new iPad Pros have Thunderbolt in them, so you can connect to Thunderbolt accessories, which is amazing. Or just charge something really quickly. Wireless charging battery pack. For Qi charging, it has USB-C PD charging and USB-A. Then this is really helpful. It's a USB-C to HDMI 2.1 cable, so you can plug it into and stream right into TV off your iPad and not have to worry about it. Or it also would work well for any USB-C MacBook Pro. I'll have all the affiliated things linked in the video description. And then this is amazing. It's RAV Power File Hub Plus. It's a mobile router and file hub. So it allows you to transfer wirelessly and connect to your iPad Pro and have a secured wireless network, because most places have terrible Wi-Fi, guys. It's like astounding. It's like, a lot of times they'll have Ethernet, and so you can plug right into that or make a mesh network between devices. And you can stream it to whatever device you want over Wi-Fi. Battery pack. This is amazing. I really like this one. It has a display on it to display the power percentage and exact percentage, and it has full speed USB-A ports, and then you have actual PD charging to charge like an Apple Silicon Mac or iPad Pro, and it has fast Qi charging, and you can do all of them at once, and you can charge your iPad Pro a couple times over. I use the GrillPod 5K because then I can put a lot of weight into it and I don't have to worry about it, and because if you're going to put your iPad Pro on here, so you want to make sure it's protected, just in case you want to plug in your audio interface into the ultimate desk setup. Screen cleaner, because you never know when you're going to need to clean your screen, especially when you're touchscreen and you always get it dirty and it's like, because microfiber cloth, guys, you have to keep everything clean. And then This is amazing. This is my all-time favorite dongle slash adapter. It's the Intech dongle. It has HDMI, VGA, Ethernet, USB-C, and this one has the USB-C split into data and power. So you can power things like the Focusrite 2x2 audio interface or other things like that. And then you can still have it plugged in an UHS-2 certified micro and regular SD card reader, a BC 1.2 USB-A port. These are 3.0 ports, and then USB-C. It's a USB-C dongle. It's my favorite. The only thing that beats this in donglage is my HP Z31X full cinema display monitor that's professional. So this is amazing. Aperture FL. It's a mobile light. It has really good daylight and Kelvin temperatures, and it goes up really slowly, up and down, and it can be powered over USB-C. That's one of the reasons why I carry this big battery bank, because I can power it over USB-C, and it has a really good CRI, and then you know that's important. If for a video maker or film photographer, lighting is important.
And water bottle, because you're supposed to keep hydrated.
If you get a glass water bottle, it can double as a thermos because you can put hot liquids in it and you won't melt plastic. Of course, first aid kit. I have a CPR thing in here. I have like band-aids and all those essentials that when you're going places you're gonna need.
Laptop case.
What is your favorite tech accessory? Don't forget to like, share, like if you liked it because it really does help. If you liked this, check out one of these videos.